So in the previous video, we download and install the plugin. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Postman to execute the order or via the API, right, so to speak. All right. So if you have an account already, you just need to create an API. Okay, and if you don't have it, just sign up. Okay. Now, what you need is if you go back to the GitHub document, so you need to provide these endpoints. Okay, so since we're only interested in uploading media to the WordPress site, we just need to copy this and then head back to Postman and paste this. Now, this is not a complete URL. You have to go back to your WordPress site. So whatever is the name of your website, okay, just copy that front end bit. Okay, so for example, if it's appsumo.com, then just key in HTTPS, appsumo.com, for example. All right, so this is the name of the temporary website which I created. And then we just need to stick the backend. So again, the backend comes from GitHub. Just need to copy this. And if you want to create a post, you can do this. If you want to get a post types, you can do this. All right, you can do the same thing. All right, then the next thing we need to do is we need to let me see what else to do. Okay, we need to take a look here, right? We need to create a basic authentication. All right, and we need an application password. So in the previous video, what we did was go to users, okay, then go to profile, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. We create a new application password. So if you missed that, I'll do it again here. So this set to new, okay, set to new password, okay, for Postman test. Right, so this is a bit long, but it's okay. All right, so just click on this and then copy this and store it somewhere. So I will store it here because we'll be using this. Okay, all right. So so remember it's basic authentication. So to do that, we just need to go to this part here, authorization, click on basic authentication, and then paste in the same code, right? The one that we created here into this space. Now the username is the name, the user ID that you use to log into a WordPress site. Okay, and I already copied it down. So this is the username. Okay, and paste it. Now, if you don't know where to find this, go to your profile. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, okay, this is the username. Okay, where you log into your WordPress. Okay, so now let's go back to Postman. Okay, we've done this part. All right. Um, and maybe what you do is just type in this content. Application is JSON. All right. Okay. Now we need to create the body, the JSON for the body. Okay. So if you go back to the GitHub documentation, okay, I think okay. I don't see it here, but then I think one of them is a URL, and then there's a title, and there's a caption. All right, and there's something else. So okay, so let's try to do this from memory. Okay, so URL, and then let's do this one. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go to say a site like Pexels. Okay, and then what we'll do is open up any of the image and copy the image link. And go back to Postman. Okay, and let's send this, and let's see whether is it working. So it says okay, there's a missing the URL. So very simple. What we do is from here, and then we'll hit the send. Okay, and then you see success. So to check this, right, go back to your WordPress site, and then go to media, go to library, and then you can see the image there. So let's do another one. Okay, let's go to pixels again, and then let's find another image. How about this one? Okay, and then right click, copy. Let's go back to Postman. Let's paste this here and click the send button. Okay, and if you see success equals to true, it means the API has been executed correctly, or the API call. All right, so let's go back to WordPress, refresh this, and then you should see the image here. Okay, so I guess the other one is title, caption, and description. All right, so these are the four parameters, right? So if we want to complete this, let's go back and complete the JSON. All right, so then you've got title. Okay, and then let's call this okay for now. And I think it's caption. Okay, and then let's do another one. Then so let's all right, so let's find another image. All right. Okay, let's click on this. Let's copy the image, and then let's go back to Postman. Paste this. All right, let's call this Misty Mountain. Caption, a lot of mist. And then the description is early morning. Short of Okay, so just let me correct it. Okay, all right. So let's try this out to see if it works. Okay, let's check the. Okay, so there is a sync. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, success, true. So let's go back to your refresh this. Okay, and you can see Misty Mountain, a lot of mist, early morning shot of Misty Mountain. Okay, so this is how you can use Postman to test out the plugin. Right, so that's also in the next video. I might show you how you can set this up in other applications. Okay, to upload uh, images to your WordPress site remotely using the Set2 plugin. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.